Hi everyone, welcome back to iProp So a while back we got this multi-purpose kitchen cabinet, and now I'm going to show you how to set up this cabinet from the inside out. So we'll start by putting the middle boards together and the inside support to form the frame, and then screwing and drilling the boards together to tightly join them. So now under the tabletop, you're going to put in the bolts and screws on all sides, and then join the countertop with the frame that we just made. And so this is what the kitchen cabinet frame looks like without the back cover and the cabinet doors. And with that, we're going to continue by drilling in the legs. There are 5 legs, 4 on all corners and 1 in the middle. And so that's part of the kitchen cabinet with the legs. Now we're going to hammer in the back cover. And so now this is what the kitchen cabinet looks like with the back cover inside. So measuring the kitchen cabinet has a length of about 1200 millimeters, depth of 400 millimeters, and a height of about 810 millimeters. Then internally, the measurement in the main section, the height is about 684 millimeters, and the length of the space to put the gas tank is about 366 millimeters and a depth of 395 millimeters. Then the middle part, where at the upper level, the depth is about 290 millimeters with a length of about 388 millimeters. Then in the next door section, at the upper and lower compartments, the depth is about 394 millimeters with a length of about 369 millimeters, and height, both lower and upper compartment, they are both 334 millimeters. Now we're going to put in the kitchen door. And so that was the first part, assembling this kitchen cabinet. Now we're going to move on to the next part, the second part, to remove the old kitchen cabinet and put in this new kitchen cabinet. Because it's portable and lightweight, we could easily carry in and out of the kitchen. And because we did our measurements earlier, and this kitchen cabinet is 4 feet long, it could easily replace our old kitchen cabinet space. So in the main section here, you can put in your gas tank on one side, and then on the other side, there's space for you to put in your other kitchen utensils, like we see here, your baking tray and steam pot. And then in the other compartments, you can put in your other kitchenwares, like your toasters, pots and pans, or induction cookers. So if you're interested to get this multi-purpose kitchen cabinet, I'll put a link in the description below. You can use my referral link. And if you found value from this tutorial, hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more videos like this in this home and living series. And with that, thanks for watching and see you again.